Hello everyone. It's my pleasure to be here in front of you because two of our students, Tulsi and Dhruv, they have designed an experimental test setup on Quadratic Boost high gain DC-DC converter, which is giving us a very high voltage gain of about 8 times at only 50% of the duty cycle. So I request the students to explain the work they have carried out here.
Hi everyone, myself Dhruv Odedra, and this is my teammate Tulsi Tadvi. Under the guidance of Dr. Kaibalya Prasad Panda of Electrical Engineering Department at Pandit Deendayal Energy University, we have carried out a research project for Quadratic Boost Converter. Here is our experimental setup. And we have carried out simulation results, different softwares like Plex and Simulink. So as you can see in the setup, this is our gate driver circuit, which consists of SMPS for the input power, and we have utilized two inductors, and here is a switched capacitor utilizing 5 diodes. And this is our DC source, and here is an oscilloscope for result.
As my teammate explained about the experimental setup, now I will walk you through the experimental results. As we can see the output voltage at 12 volt of input voltage, we are getting output voltage of 96 volt at a duty cycle of 50%. Then at 0.75 duty cycle, we are getting voltage gain of 32. Then I will walk you through the experimental result that we have already collected. As we can see the output voltage from 5 volt input pulse, that is from the gate driver circuit, then the voltage across switch, then the voltage and current across both the inductors L1 and L2. As we can see the inductor collects and releases the energy. Then we have taken voltage across diode, all the diodes D1 to D5, then voltage across capacitors. As we can see the constant voltage across the capacitors. Then we have taken results of dynamic input voltage. As we can see, by increasing the input voltage, simultaneously output voltage is also changing. Then on dynamic load, as we can see, by decreasing the load, the output current is increasing by keeping voltage constant. So at last, we would like to thank our supervisor, Dr. Kaibalya Panda, for giving us this opportunity. Also to the Department of Electrical Engineering and Pandit Deendayal Energy University for support.